Hey guys, here's another Harbor Springfield ceiling fan in the beach house I'm renting. It's in a bedroom. Yeah. This is the last fan I'm filming in here on its own video. Yeah, and none of these Springfields have their original canopies. So, I'll put the light on. I can only show this on one speed too. This is like too high up. Way too high. Okay, now I'll put it on speed. This one's stuck on medium, I think. Or high. It's a pretty good fan. I can feel the air from it, even though it's high up. Most of these fans, except the well, Harbor Breeze Classic, like the fan in the well here, at this house, are all have all the same blades facing down. I mean, the well fan looks like the blades are darker, but this one, same thing. It's pretty good quality. Yeah, every time I come in, I never usually see this fan. I never usually see this fan off. So yeah, that's my Harbor Breeze Classic. Hope you enjoy.